everyone, this is Hannah from Food. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will introduce our fully automatic CRM 300 gummy candy production line. This is a production line for making gelatin gummy candy. So as you can see, it includes one jacket cooker and 2 tanks and one additional tilting kettle. And look at that here. This is a jacket cooker. It has 3 layers, the heating layer and the installation layer. And it is equipped with the high-speed shielding device and scraping storing device. And this device are controlled by the WEG motor. And this is a reduction gear. And we can also add water, glucose, and white sugar in this cooker. And this is a hot water tank, which can insulate the pipes and pumps. And then the boiled syrup pumped into the cooling storage tank by the loop pump. Because the gelatin is not resistant to the high temperature. So when the syrup cools down to 70 degrees, we can add the gelatin. And the gelatin can be preheated in the tilting kettle and then added to the cooling storage tank to mix the syrup. And the mixed syrup pumped into the storage tank by the loop pump. And then the cooking system is controlled and regulated on the control panel. Here is a static metering system, and there are 2 metering pumps. Under the pump, there are 2 small tanks. We can add flavors and colors. And flavors and colors are quantitatively extracted by the metering pump into the pipes to mix with the syrup more precisely. And the mixed syrup transferred into the dynamic metering system. We can add acid and vitamins here. And then the mixed syrup transferred into the depositing hopper. The depositing hopper is insulated to prevent the syrup from solidifying during depositing. And before the depositing, here is an oil storage tank. We can spray oil on the mold here and to prevent the gummy candy from sticking to the mold. And then a syrup poured into the mold during the depositing nozzle. And we can also equip it with a servo motor. And the mold guided along the belt into the cooling tunnel for cooling, dehumidification, and defrosting. The cooling tunnel equipped with the condensers and fans to make the cold air more evenly. And the cold syrup transferred here for demoulding. Our molds have pink on the back, and under the tank chain there are high pressure air blowers and demoulding brushes to make the syrup 100% successful demoulding. And then they undergo coating with oil and sugar. And at the same time, this production line can also produce the Pectin gummy candy. Look at that here. If we want to make a Pectin gummy candy, the cooling tunnel is removed and the syrup transferred from the cooker into the storage tank directly. So this is our gummy candy production line with a capacity of 300 kilograms per hour. So if you want to know more, please contact me now.